introduction. The Bombay Stock Exchange, also known as BSE, is the oldest stock exchange in Asia and the first in India. Established in 1875, BSE has played a vital role in shaping the Indian economy and has become a crucial financial institution in India. BSE provides a transparent and efficient marketplace for trading in equities, bonds, and other securities. It has over 5,000 listed companies on its platform, and its flagship index, the BSE Sensex, is an indicator of the overall performance of the stock market in India. BSE has also introduced several new products and services, including electronic trading, derivatives trading, mutual funds, and online trading platforms. In this article, we will explore the history, significance, and current status of the Bombay Stock Exchange. Part 1. Early Beginnings. The early beginnings of the Bombay Stock Exchange, or BSE, can be traced back to the 1850s when trading in stocks and shares started in Mumbai, then known as Bombay. Initially, brokers used to gather under a banyan tree in the city to trade shares. However, as the volume of trading increased, the brokers felt the need for a formal organization to regulate and manage their activities. In 1874, a group of brokers came together to form the Native Share and Stock Brokers Association, which was later renamed as the Bombay Stock Exchange. The exchange started functioning as a formal entity in 1875 and was primarily focused on trading stocks and shares of textile mills, cotton presses, and banks. The early years of BSE were characterized by a lack of formal regulations and transparency. The trading was conducted manually through an open outcry system, which was prone to manipulation and insider trading. However, with the growth of the Indian economy and the emergence of new industries, the demand for a more transparent and regulated stock exchange became evident. Part 2. Growth and Development. The growth and development of the Bombay Stock Exchange, or BSE, can be traced back to its early beginnings under a banyan tree in Mumbai. Over the years, BSE has transformed into a modern, sophisticated financial institution and has become a crucial player in shaping the Indian economy. One of the most significant milestones in the growth of BSE was the launch of the BSE Sensex in 1986. The Sensex is an index of 30 of the largest and most actively traded stocks on the exchange, providing an indicator of the overall performance of the stock market in India. The Sensex has become one of the most widely tracked stock market indices in India and is a barometer of the health of the Indian economy. BSE has also been at the forefront of introducing new products and services. In 1995, BSE became the first stock exchange in India to introduce electronic trading, which replaced the open outcry system and brought in more transparency and efficiency in trading. BSE also introduced derivatives trading in 2000, which has become a significant segment of its trading volume. In recent years, BSE has focused on expanding its product portfolio and services. It has introduced new indices, including the BSE 500 and BSE 200, which provide a more comprehensive view of the Indian stock market. BSE has also launched mutual funds, currency derivatives, and online trading platforms, making it more accessible to investors across the country. Apart from its primary role as a stock exchange, BSE has also been active in promoting financial literacy and investor awareness. It conducts seminars, workshops, and training programs to educate investors about the various aspects of the stock market. Today, BSE is one of the leading stock exchanges in the world. It has come a long way since its early beginnings under a banyan tree in Mumbai and has transformed into a modern, sophisticated financial institution that has contributed significantly to the growth of the Indian economy. Part 3. Modernization and Globalization. The modernization and globalization of the Bombay Stock Exchange, or BSE, has been a significant factor in its growth and development over the years. With the liberalization of the Indian economy in the 1990s, BSE was able to adopt a more global outlook and expand its reach beyond the shores of India. One of the key drivers of modernization in BSE has been the introduction of electronic trading in 1995, which replaced the open outcry system and brought in more transparency and efficiency in trading. BSE was one of the first stock exchanges in the world to introduce electronic trading, which helped it to compete with other global exchanges. In recent years, BSE has also been focused on modernizing its infrastructure and technology. It has introduced new trading platforms, such as the BSE Star MF platform, which enables investors to buy and sell mutual funds online. BSE has also introduced mobile trading applications, which enable investors to trade from anywhere using their smartphones. BSE has also expanded its reach beyond the shores of India by listing global companies on its platform. In 2016, BSE launched its international exchange, BSE Inc., which provides a platform for trading in international securities. BSE Inc. is based in the Gujarat International Finance Tech City, GIFT City, which is a special economic zone designed to promote international finance in India. BSE has also been active in promoting cross-border investment and collaboration. It has signed several MOUs with international exchanges, including the London Stock Exchange, the Japan Exchange Group, and the Moscow Exchange. These collaborations have helped to increase the visibility of BSE in the global financial community and attract more international investors to India. In conclusion, the modernization and globalization of the Bombay Stock Exchange have been critical in its growth and development over the years. With the introduction of new technologies and infrastructure, BSE has become a more transparent and efficient marketplace for trading in equities, bonds, and other securities. Its global outlook and collaborations with other international exchanges have helped to promote cross-border investment and collaboration and position BSE as a leading player in the global financial community. Part 4. Current status today. As of 2023, the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE, remains one of the leading stock exchanges in the world, with a market capitalization of over $3.3 trillion, February 2023. BSE is home to over 5,307 listed companies, making it one of the largest stock exchanges in the world in terms of the number of listed companies. In recent years, BSE has been focused on expanding its product portfolio and services. It has introduced new indices, including the BSE 500 and BSE 200, which provide a more comprehensive view of the Indian stock market. BSE has also launched mutual funds, currency derivatives, and online trading platforms, making it more accessible to investors across the country. BSE has also been active in promoting financial literacy and investor awareness. It conducts seminars, workshops, and training programs to educate investors about the various aspects of the stock market. BSE has also introduced various initiatives to support startups, such as the BSE Startup Platform and the BSE SME Platform, which provide a platform for small and medium-sized enterprises to raise capital. Part 5. As a publicly traded company. BSE is a publicly traded company listed on its own exchange under the ticker symbol BSE. The exchange went public in 2017 with an initial public offering (IPO) of its shares. The IPO was well received by investors, and the shares were oversubscribed by over 50 times, making it one of the most successful IPOs in recent Indian history. As of 2023, BSE's shares are widely held by institutional and individual investors, both in India and abroad. The company's shares are included in several benchmark indices, including the BSE Sensex and the Nifty 50, which are widely used as barometers of the Indian stock market's performance. BSE's financial performance has been robust in recent years, driven by increased trading volumes and new product launches. In the financial year 2021 to 2022, BSE reported a net profit of over 500 crore rupees, $68 million, representing a year-on-year increase of over 70%. Overall, BSE's status as a publicly traded company has helped increase transparency and accountability in the organization, providing investors with greater visibility into its operations and financial performance. Conclusion: the Bombay Stock Exchange, or BSE, has a long and storied history dating back to the mid-19th century. Over the years, it has evolved into a modern, sophisticated financial institution that plays a critical role in the Indian economy. BSE's early beginnings were marked by a tumultuous period of growth and consolidation as it struggled to establish itself as the preeminent stock exchange in India. However, by the mid-20th century, BSE had firmly established its position as the leading stock exchange in India and had become a symbol of the country's economic development. Overall, the Bombay Stock Exchange is a vital institution that has played a critical role in the growth and development of the Indian economy. With its continued focus on innovation and expansion, BSE is well positioned to remain a leading player in the global financial community for many years to come.